How are you? Hi. General,
Sir,
how are you?
magandang hapon. Okay naman po, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Tanggap po kami lahat, yes.
We have good news. Kinuto ko sa iyo kanina. We just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we met last week, no, sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, may pasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na, yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Ano yan, maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa SOLCO.